Where my pick at? Yeah, where my motherfucking pick at, man? You know, I'm gonna get these motherfuckers like 2 minutes of this shit, you know? Where my pick at? I got my pick up in my hand, bitch. I'm over here just like the motherfucker think you slick. I'm talking about you motherfuckers and the sucker kid. You motherfuckers over here and I hit it quick. So where my pick at, bitch? I'm over here just talking about I'm in this underground. I hit you with 2 minutes, but I'm about to lay it down. People telling me, so homie, who's the fuck the clown? I'm not the homie, the clown, so bitch, I'm being around. I'm not around talking about I'm at the legend man. I'm over here to do you think I fucking understand that bullshit that you talking, that bullshit that you walking. But let me tell you, take a break of when my bitch is talking. I talking about you motherfuckers and I'm getting it. You motherfuckers talking about your bitches is a snitch. They talking about the snitches get the deal real quick. I'm over here to talking about I'm about to spit your wig. I started in. The people say I'm in my hood. My hood is over here, but don't get this shit misunderstood. I'm talking about you motherfucking traps. The people's over here, and now you running at your mouth. So where my pick at? Now I pick that. The motherfuckers over here, and now I get it that. What was that, bitch? I'm on the own shit. I'm over here about to talk about I run this shit. So where my pick at? So where my pick at? You motherfuckers over here, you cannot get that. I got this motherfuckers over here, I get it down. And now your bitch is talking about the with that pick at now.